Don't know, you know. I'm a lady on the first day of reggae dance hall, and me I bring to you and you and you. What me say? Jamaica from the outside. And Jamaica from the outside. And I'm me proud to be a Jamaican. But me say all of we barriers, them are broke down. All of we barriers, them are broke down. We are one united Jamaican. It again, it a spice up the food.
Hey guys, Happy New Year! I hope you're all excited. I certainly am, and I'm especially excited about all the good things I have in store for you. So this year, I hope you will share the content and invite your friends to watch because there are lots of good things in store. Those of you who have not yet subscribed, it's a great time for you to do so. All right, today we're going to be talking about 4 must-have plants for our backyard. I'm at Max Farms and I have Miss Barbara with me. Let's check out these plants, guys. Hello, Miss Barbara. How are you today?
Back to you again.
All right.
Sometimes we overlook on certain plants. This plant, ancient Jamaica know it all over the world, know aloe vera. In Jamaica, we talk about is our culture. So it's a sink Bible. But new speak, we say aloe vera. Now you see aloe vera bath, aloe vera oil, aloe vera everything.
Lotion,
everything is all about aloe vera plant. It is so hectic and you have to know how to use it. And when your tree is like a hair hold, you get better benefit from it. I'm going to show you the reason why. And I'm going to show you what I mean. When you're going to eat it raw, not for nothing now, eat it raw. You cut the side. Because too much, I can't call the most words you need, but I'm going to the closest and the best.
Okay.
You don't use the skin. It's not everything good for the lungs. What is good for the lungs, not good for the heart. But because you want it to work and communicate with everything in the body, you cut off this, you get a sharp knife next to a razor, clean it down, make your own tablets.
Okay.
Yeah. In the morning, in the midday, you can carry it to work in your little Ziploc with a little bit of water to keep it fresh.
Yes.
And you take your medication.
Okay.
We don't live on medication.
And what does that
do? For high blood pressure.
Okay.
For diabetes. For the whole entire body. And we already tell you that it's good for hair, skin, aging, everything, wrinkle, everything.
Yes.
So we can stop there.
Okay.
So look how we do it now. You plant to get the potent of your plant. This one here is a 1 year old. So I'm getting.
You tell by the color?
You tell by the food. So
okay.
You saw this one thick like a fish.
Yes.
You saw this one thin. This one carry the potent. I'm going to show you. To break it down. If I did have a knife, it would be easier because it gets thinner and it is older. You see the juice, what you get from it? Bitter, that have a lot. You see? To do
Okay.
with your body. The next one, I'm going to show you a younger one. Look on the juice from this. And I'm
Okay.
going to show you a baby. You see the difference?
It's clear.
This one clear. This one is like this.
Yes.
And you see the difference of this.
Okay.
So
So you recommend the mature ones?
The mature ones.
Yes.
People use anything, I don't know, I don't want to assume.
Yes.
But what base I know of, this one is the most mature one. And when you get this mature one, try get a look at this juice here
Yes.
and drink it.
Okay.
Stop you from age, pain, everything.
Oh, it slowed down the aging process?
Yes.
Oh my goodness. Yes.
things.
So this is one of the must-have plants, guys.
Yes.
Yeah,
yes.
you need to have aloe vera
Aloe vera.
for health, for
Everything.
beauty,
Everything.
for healing,
You
for...
see it in the store, shampoo.
And you know, I think it's good for burns.
Yes, because you notice when you go to facial, you have to put the aloe vera.
Yes, yes.
Because it have everything that good for burn carry vitamin E. And this
Yes.
one carry the most vitamin E.
Okay. All right. All right. Good. So we have the aloe vera.
Yes.
All right. So and that's the first plant that Miss Barb thinks you must have.
You must.
Okay.
So people look at things very simple, but remember, later on there will be no simple. Everything
Yes.
has to become great.
All right. All right. So we're going to move on to our next plant that you must have in your backyard, guys.
This one we call it tree of life in Jamaica, but the right name is leaf of life.
Leaf of life.
Leaf of life. When I was 19 having my first child, I have a bad cold. My husband father tell me, like how me pregnant, I must not take any medication. So we always have honey back in Jamaica, because honey was free. You could take it from the
Natural.
tree, natural.
Yeah.
And you have to put it over the stove. Like the stove could be wood fire, might be wood coal stove, and you just warm it so the leaf get tender. Then you're going to crush it, and then you're going to squeeze it
Oh.
into a cup, and then you mix it with the honey.
Okay. And what does that do, Miss?
Clean off every cold off your stomach. Also, the baby, having a young baby. Now everybody put baby on medication. I don't know about that. So I do the same. Put it in the spoon. That's how I know me under got a little tablespoon or teaspoon. And then I squeeze the breast milk into it. Take my finger and stir it around and give the baby. 2
Okay.
days, that same cough.
For the cold.
for the
Okay.
cold, gone.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So the leaf of life is good for cold.
Cold, high blood pressure.
Okay. You use it as a tea. Okay.
But the best way to use it is to quail it, rub it. You can use it with honey, but make sure your honey is natural.
Okay.
I don't talk of natural.
Okay. That's the leaf of life.
This is the leaf of life. People look on it simple, but read up the benefit. And it don't carry one benefit, it carry benefits.
Yes. Okay. All right. So our next must-have plant is
In our back garden now. Our best. The leaf. And please, my viewers, the viewers, all viewers, take note. The leaf of this is for cancer. The fruit if we should run for a food shortage, you can go to it and eat one for your breakfast, and if you're not greedy, you can eat one piece and leave piece. And in the evening, you can also. So we don't have to say, oh, we don't have anything. Please, kindly, if you have a little spot outside there, like how I do mine here,
Yes.
you put in a little piece. Please, I
Yes.
will help you out with some of your soil. This is, and it is so nutritious.
And it's filling.
Yes.
Yes.
And when you finish, you can drink a bottle of water. You're nice to go.
Yes.
You don't have to have meat every day of your life.
And I think it helps with the digestion process too,
Yes.
Miss Barb. Yes.
And did you know that there's a thing mostly grow up inside the stomach called ulster?
Yes.
Is a good ulster feed.
So if they want to use the leaf,
Mm-hmm.
how would they use it?
You're going to encourage, as I encourage others, this is a whole leaf. I don't give away plants. I don't give away leaves. I'm teaching and heading everyone, heads up. Keep a plant that is potent, nutritious, and everything. You're going to do, don't boil, dry your plants. So you're going to pick this, you're going to do a nice big cup of tea. And I won't use the word tea. I say water, because when you're going to work in the morning, you fill up your container, what you know you drink for the day, and it's this you will be drinking. And
Okay.
this is papaya.
So
And
they
the-
boil it. Well, not boil it. You said draw it.
Yes, steep.
Yes.
Yeah.
Steam
And
it.
you're
yeah.
going to carry it to work, warm or cold. Which one you rather?
Okay.
Yes.
So they can use did you say they were to dry it?
Every leaf, green leaf like
Okay.
green,
Must be dried.
must be dried.
Okay. Oh yes, because of the chlorophyll content. Okay. So that's another must-have plant, guys, the papaya.
Because later on, we're going to see food shortage. So you can
Yes.
run to the, and then the funniest thing, you don't have to ripe. It can use your grater and you shred it. It's a vegetable.
Yes.
You're going to cook, like I use say, me's a rundown person. You're going to cook a salad, not the raw one, because you already have this for the salad.
Yes.
That is a food, like how you do chocho. What is the other name for chocho? I don't remember again.
Yeah.
The Spanish name.
Yes, it's a some
Yes.
funny name.
So you cook it like that with your meat and anything. And holster again, it is good for digestion.
Okay. All right. So that's our papaya. All right, Miss Barb, what is the next plant that we must have in our backyards?
We must, if it was me, we must have to have, number one, Soursop.
Soursop. And why is that?
If I look on him, very good to tell you. Is a plant that bear fruits.
Okay.
The leaves can use for tea. Every plant that I try to put on my farm, in my little vineyard there, is potent. I do it like that to tell you cancer. We don't have to die from certain sickness. So this one, you can heat the soursop raw. You can make the juice. Anything you want from it.
I
Growing
can
up as a
as a child.
child, we bust the inside and there's
Yes.
the heart, white and pretty.
Yes.
We'd have to eat that. Our grandparents would say, oh, this is for the pizza bed picnic them.
Yes.
So, and the heart again make a good punch like ice cream.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
But these now, if you don't get it from the tree and get it from the store, the heart is black like my face. That you know the potent already gone.
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
So try to have
Fresh.
fresh things at your backyard.
Yes.
So that is one of the main tree again.
The
The
soursop.
soursop and the papaya.
Okay. The thing about the soursop though is that, well, what I don't care for with it is it doesn't do well under a certain temperature. So like during the December months when the time get cold, even here in Florida,
Yes.
you find that it lose
It
the
leaves.
leaves, and by the time the cold months pass and then it warms up,
Yes.
it have to put out fresh leaves.
Yes,
And
but if you maintain it with good soil,
okay.
and like how we think of ourselves, we say, oh, we hear a lot of people, I overcome cancer. When you bring him up back, you make sure you give him healthy food to eat.
Yes.
So you will get the plants, the fruits from him before the cold weather come again.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
Yes. So
Okay.
although him die down, you keep maintaining him
During the cold period.
during the cold period.
Okay. I agree with you with the soursop because I really love it.
Yes.
I really love it.
It's good.
Yes.
It's good, real good.
Yes.
Back in our days, when we have soursop juice on Sundays, that's why we are here now.
Yes. I agree.
We don't know soda.
Yes.
Guys, thank you so much for staying with me until the end of this video. I hope it was helpful to you in one way or another. Until next time, ciao.